Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day 7 of our word sort number 50 with the short E and I vowels. And we're checking for the CVC pattern to prove that these are short vowels. And of course, to prove that our oddball is really an oddball. So the first thing I need you to do is pause the video here and sort your words. I'm glad you sorted your words. Now I need you to be like the teacher, and I need you to find a piece of paper and cover them up. And then lay your notebook on top so you don't even sneak a peek. Today is our blind sort, so we're going to start setting up our page. And the first thing we always do is write down the date, 10-18-20. Remember, your date is a different date, so check on the bottom corner of your computer to find the date there. And now we are going to write down that we're doing a blind sort. I'm going to capitalize my title, because it is a title, and I'm going to underline them. And I also know that I have 3 columns, so I'm going to make my 3 columns right away. And I'm going to underline where my header is going to go. And this is the short E, short I, and my oddball. Remember, oddball is that rule breaker. Now that I have that written down, remember the rules of the blind sort are that you need to write down the words that you know are in your sort without looking. So I know one word that I'm going to give you, and that is yes. Yes, I know you know how to do this sort. And I know that one of the short I words is miss, because I miss you. And I know my oddball, but I'm not going to give it away. So now I have 2 words. When I uncover my words, you need to write as many as you can. I'm not going to give them all away, though. You got to come up with these. And then you write as many as you can over here. And if you remember the oddball, write it right there. When you are done and you uncover them, you will see that the word yes is there. So I'm going to give it a check mark. Since I don't have anything else written down, I would have to write all the other words down without the check mark. No check mark for the ones I didn't know. I know the word miss is going to be there when I uncover it, so I'm going to get a check mark. Yep, it's there. And then I would have to write all the other words I did not write down yet down, and I need to not give them a check mark because I didn't know them. So I can't wait to see how many you already knew and how many you still had to look up. Remember, the ones we have to look up are the ones that we need to study. When you're done, post it on Class Dojo so I can see how many words you already know. See you tomorrow.